My little Shetland foal, so bright, so bold. In fields of green you run and hold. You twinkle like the morning star. It's clear to see how special you are. With tiny hooves you prance and play in the sun all through the day. Your spirit wild, your heart so free, a wonder of the world to me. Little Shetland foal, oh so fine. You make my soul ascend and climb. A spark of life so full of cheer. Your beauty brings me joy and tears. On autumn nights with skies above, you gallop through the fields with love. A dance of moonbeams in your stride. My little foal you fill with pride. You greet the dawn with boundless glee, tiny force of nature's energy. In every step there's pure delight. With you the world seems oh so bright. Little Shetland foal, oh so fine. You make my soul ascend and climb. A spark of life so full of cheer. Your beauty brings me joy and tears. Little Shetland foal, oh so fine. You make my soul ascend and climb. A spark of life so full of cheer. Your beauty brings me joy and tears. On autumn nights with skies above, you gallop through the fields with love. A dance of moonbeams in your stride. My little foal you fill with pride. You greet the dawn with boundless glee, tiny force of nature's energy. In every step there's pure delight. With you the world seems oh so bright. Little Shetland foal, oh so fine. You make my soul ascend and climb. A spark of life so full of cheer. Your beauty brings me joy and tears.